On this channel, we usually focus on news relating to a specific species of animal in the wild. This week, we're going to be focusing on the less mobile residents of the forest, the trees themselves. Specifically, we're sharing a newly discovered superpower that makes trees even more important to the global climate situation than we previously knew. We all learned growing up that trees play host to a wide variety of life: nests for birds, a safe space for small animals, a virtual castle for insects, and even a host to other forms of plant life. It is in this role that trees have been helping us all out for millions of years, even though we didn't even know about it until now. Microbes living in tree bark are constantly pulling greenhouse gases from the air, making trees even more important in fighting climate change than scientists once thought, according to a study in Nature. As research shows climate change is speeding up, this study offers hope for global leaders if they act to improve tree health and stop deforestation. Scientists have long known that trees absorb carbon dioxide, but a new study, led by the University of Birmingham with Northern Arizona University as the only U.S. partner, found that microbes in tree bark and the wood within are also removing methane from the air, matching or exceeding the amount removed by soil. This is a huge deal. Methane traps more heat in the atmosphere per molecule than carbon dioxide, according to the UN Environmental Program. This makes trees 10% more helpful for the climate than previously believed. Methane has caused about 30% of global warming since pre-industrial times, and emissions are rising faster now than ever before. While most methane is removed by processes in the atmosphere, soil bacteria also absorb and break down methane for energy. Soil was thought to be the only land-based methane absorber, but this new research shows trees may be just as important, or more so, in cleaning methane from the air. This research describes a new discovery of a process whereby trees cool the planet, completely apart from taking up carbon dioxide through photosynthesis, said Alexander Schenken, director of the Ecosystem Science and Innovation Lab at Northern Arizona University and an assistant research professor in the School of Informatics, Computing, and Cyber Systems. By combining our measurements with a new global analysis of how much tree bark exists in the world, using 3D models of trees and satellite imagery, we show that the scale of this process is massive and is a significant contributor to keeping the world cool. The Global Methane Pledge, started in 2021 at the COP26 Climate Summit, aims to cut methane emissions by 30% by 2030. These findings suggest that planting more trees and stopping deforestation are key to reaching this goal. The researchers measured tree bark in tropical forests in the Amazon and Panama, temperate forests in the UK, and boreal forests in Sweden. They also used laser scanning to measure global tree bark surface area, estimating that trees remove 24.6 to 49.9 million tons of methane globally. This helps researchers to understand the sources and sinks of methane better. They found that methane absorption was strongest in tropical forests because microbes thrive in warm, wet conditions. On average, this new methane absorption adds about 10% to the climate benefits of temperate and tropical trees. Researchers believe natural ecosystems are more valuable than usually recognized, and this study reveals an important, previously unseen process. The complex 3D structure of forests helps them efficiently remove methane from the atmosphere. For the next phase, Schenken has started Selvaflux Incorporated, aiming to use this finding to boost tropical reforestation and conservation by making it more profitable in carbon markets. The best news of all is that this is something everyone can contribute to. By protecting the trees around us, wherever we are, we can help to improve air quality on a global scale. And if you have the space available, planting a new tree will help even more. Don't stop here. Find out more. Visit the links in the description below for more in-depth information on the stories presented in this video. Or if you are a part of a wildlife organization doing something interesting right now, let us know in the comments.